e-brake was on the whole time.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
What's up, CG family? Long time no see, and clearly this isn't Grant. This is my little sister, Veronica Roki. You guys might have seen her actually when I surprised her and I picked her up in an Aventador S. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend it because she had a pretty unique reaction, to say the least. But anyways, let's cut to the chase. You guys saw the title of this video. We are finally going to be teaching this girl how to drive stick.
Finally.
And the project car that she will be getting will be in a manual, so she really has to learn how to drive this thing. And I do want to say that my car is probably the hardest car to learn how to drive stick in for beginners because I have a very fuzzy clutch. It's some sort of racing clutch I did not put in this car, and I will be replacing my clutch soon, so I'm not worried about it if this girl blows it or something.
Probably.
No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, are you nervous?
A little bit. I'm probably gonna blow it up, but it's fine.
Have you watched some YouTube videos at least?
I was watching TikToks and YouTube videos on it.
Like today? Like, is it fresh in your memory?
I just know you push the clutch in every single time you switch gears, and you look at the
RPMs.
Yeah.
So that's dead straight in the middle, as you can see right there. And we got my throttle shift knob, and of course we got my clutch all the way in the left. I'm kind of scared. Oh, can I just point out that this girl doesn't even have her driver's license?
I have my permit.
Okay, whatever, let's just switch. Let's go. I am pretty scared. Yeah, I am too. So we're at a school right now, so she has this straightaway. I don't know how many times she's gonna stall to get to the end of that trash can right there, but we'll see. So some of you guys that are watching probably don't know how to drive stick as well, so maybe this is gonna be a point of view experience as well. First things first we're gonna do is make sure you are comfortable in your seat. So can you push the clutch fully in?
No.
So put your seat all the way up.
Okay, got it.
So what we're going to be doing right now is making sure that this girl knows where all the gears are since it's not numbered on my car. So let's go over them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And where's reverse?
Neutral. Oh, I don't know. Over here.
Yeah, it's all the way there. And to get to reverse, you have to like press down, so don't do that. I don't know. I feel like you're pretty like,
I don't know.
Are you a coordinated person? I'm very uncoordinated, so it's very hard for me to get my foot and my hand to like sync up.
I'm kind of uncoordinated.
The only other person that's tried driving my car was Nate Nation. We're just not gonna talk about it. That guy scared me. Yeah, so that video's also up if you guys want to check it out. All right, ready? All right, before we move on any further, you guys can see clearly my e-brake's on, and it's gonna be on throughout this whole video, and I don't realize it at all. Veronica will point it out. You guys can tell. She does get the car moving with the e-brake on, and you guys will see that.
Yeah.
All right, so clutch in.
Okay.
Put it in first. Okay, and then when you slowly let go of the clutch, slowly put gas. A lot of people have my gas is very light, so people just tap on it, but you have to slowly press the gas as well at the same time, okay?
Okay.
So slowly start letting go of the clutch. Slowly. Keep going slow. Nope. So you stalled it. So you have to, as soon as you get it, push the clutch down.
Okay.
As soon as, and now, he has the clutch all the way down.
Yeah.
As soon as you feel the car moving, you can't just let go. You have to still keep going slowly. That's the problem with my clutch.
GPS connected.
Okay, so when I'm like moving,
You're still slowly letting go.
I don't let go of it?
No, not right
Okay.
away.
Try again.
So clutch in, put it
Okay.
in first gear.
Welcome.
Clutch in, put it in first gear.
Okay.
Now slowly let go of the clutch and press gas at the same time. And keep letting go of the clutch slow. No. Bro. Slowly! Slowly! Oh my god. Is the clutch in?
Yes.
We haven't moved for 10, like we haven't even moved a foot.
Oh my goodness, and why is it revving when I go?
That's how it is. You have to, like, it has to keep, like, you have to keep the gas at like 1.5, 1.5. So between 1 and 2.
For what? When I push it? When I start it?
Yeah, when you're starting it.
Okay, I'm about to go again.
Okay. Okay, that's too much, too much. And then slowly let go and keep slow. It's slow, 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 slow.
It's not even, I'm not even in clutch anymore.
Oh, because you're not in gear. Is this, I think I should change the title to, is this girl gonna be moving at all today? Slowly, slowly.
I was slowly.
You have to fight it, like it's gonna keep fighting you. It wants to kick you out. Oh my God, these guys are coming.
X-band. K-band. K-A-band.
All right,
Okay.
first gear.
GPS connected.
Slowly.
What the fuck happened?
Bro, you're gonna kill
What
my
is
car.
that? What was that? What was that?
Push the clutch in, bro. I
What
swear
was
you're
that?
gonna drop my tranny.
What was that?
My tranny! Gosh.
K-band. K-A-band.
Because you weren't pushing enough gas. As soon as you have to do it at the, you know what I mean? You know what you did? As soon as you were getting there, you were pushing the gas, letting go of the clutch, but then you let go of the gas.
I did that again.
We still have to go all the way over there.
Okay.
It's okay, we're only like 4 minutes in.
Laser. GPS connected.
Go back.
Oh, yeah. So once it's locked in, the RPMs, that little middle thing, wants to drop down because it's engaged. So you have to, after you let go, you have to keep it at 1. You have to keep playing with the gas and keep it, above 1.5.
I'm gonna move.
Yeah. Okay, let go of the clutch. Yeah, see?
Oh my God.
You got it! Okay, now push the clutch in. Push the clutch in.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, no, stop! Now put brake in! Brake! Stop!
Oh, I thought you moved it to second gear.
No, I
that's
put it in
why.
first. Where are we gonna go, bro?
This way.
Jeez. But you did it.
Let's go on the road.
No, bro.
I got this.
No! You get it once!
I moved.
This girl's confidence is on a whole nother level.
I moved. Okay, so when do I go to second gear? When I hit?
You're not gonna get there in this video.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get there in
20
this
miles
video.
per hour. Right there.
You're not gonna get there in this video.
Yes, I will. I'm about to go right now.
Part of the reason is I think I'm a really bad teacher, and you guys are probably gonna mention that in the comments.
I'm in first gear.
Okay, so same thing.
I'm gonna get it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it again. No, I didn't.
Holy
What's going on?
Let's switch right now. Let me go put the car back where it was because I really feel like you're gonna drive right into that trash can. So I'm keeping the seat how it is because I don't want you losing your spot. Look, first gear, and then slowly. Oh shit, my e-brake's on. That was not a good move. Okay, so look.
The e-brake was on the whole time.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
You're lying.
I swear. What the heck does that mean?
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was, because I remember looking at it and I didn't even touch it at all. And it was up.
My e-brake was on the whole time while she was driving.
So what does that mean?
There's no way.
Yes, there was. What does that mean?
It's just my brake, my extra brake, which makes it harder to drive.
So
Wow.
it wasn't me. It was your freaking e-brake.
Damn. I'm gonna go back in this video and
It
check.
was. Go look.
Because
I remember I not looking. I wasn't touching it.
Wow. Well, why didn't you say anything?
Because I didn't know if I was right in my head.
So you still mention it. What the? Anyways, child. I guess let's go
look
back
at it.
again. I'm gonna go look at the video. So I just played back that video, and she was driving with the e-brake on. That was my fault. I'm shocked that she was able to drive with my e-brake up. 2, I feel dumb. And 3, I was just like, I just automatically assumed that it was down because it's just second nature for me to drive. And wow, I want to be mad, but I'm impressed she was able to drive with the e-brake up.
How do you even drive with the e-brake on?
You like, it's physically impossible unless your e-brake's pretty crappy. Wow. I guess kudos to you. Like, I don't even know what to say right now. I guess take 2, let's start over again. Hey guys, Veronica's gonna be learning how to drive manual the proper way with the e-brake down. Put that down if you can. All right. Put it in first gear.
I got this one.
Yeah, you got it because it was my fault. There you go. See? Okay, now don't give it a lot of gas. That's good. Now can you turn around?
Yeah.
Turn the car. And don't let the gas go under a 1 because then it will start doing that weird. Yeah. You got it. Good job. Good job. So I guess you learned the hard way. I'm a bad teacher, but she's getting it. Okay.
Keep going.
I told you you weren't giving it gas.
No, but I kept going.
Because you're not giving it gas and the gears are just going like this, bro. One more time and we're done. One more time and we're done. Put the clutch in.
It isn't.
My car's barely starting. Okay.
Clutch in?
Yeah.
Okay, I got this one.
Mm-hmm. E-brake's down.
E-brake. Yeah.
We can't blame it on that. Slowly. Okay. Rough start, but you got it. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, I'm kidding. Wow.
That was a roller coaster.
Are you, like, is this scary? Do you feel nervous?
I don't like starting it. I like switching gears though.
You've never even done that.
Yeah, I went to 1.
Yeah, but like switching from like 1 to 2.
Oh yeah, I know.
I will be teaching my older sister, I think in the next video or in the next couple of videos, and see how she does. And
The next video is gonna be me on the highway.
no, it's not. She's just so confident. I'm gonna end this video off here because I know I'm done with this content. Bye guys. Bye.